I wanted to order some flowers for some projects, and we're going to open these up and take a look at them together. So all of these came sealed, and I have opened them all up, and we are going to take these out and take a look at them. You want to be very careful with them as they are super delicate, but they're so pretty. Let's see. So you have really pretty flowers in every single one of your packages. And I might find a little bit of a different way to store these after I take them out and use them. Because honestly, I have a feeling that they're all going to just break if I don't. Which I like the cardboard behind them whenever they're shipping. They all came in really nicely. So we've got this orange, red, and yellow cluster. Got some really pretty maple leaves in there. I don't know what these are, but those are really pretty. These orange and white ones. And then we've got the blue and green with a little bit of white. Those are pressed really, really nicely. I like those. Then we've got some really pinks, reds, and purples with some white in there also. There's some green down here. So I'm not sure if the greenery is attached to the flower or not, but I will be able to look at that when I get to that craft. And we've got all of these other pretty ones. So if you're looking for really nice dried and pressed flowers, this one is so beautiful. I love all of these.